Now let's see how NumPy array works in Python. We have to import NumPy library. I'm importing NumPy library as NP. That is, I'm going to use NP throughout NP as NumPy throughout the program. Now let's see the first inbuilt function 0. What this 0 does is that the zeros function will create an array with values decimal pointed zeros in it. For example, if I want to create a 4 length array, it will create a 4 length array with 0 decimal pointed in it. 0 point, 0 point, 0 point, 0 point. Like all other arrays, I can access the individual elements of the array, and also I can assign the 0th index of 8th array with 1, and you can do this. The problem is that a decimal point comes along with it. Next, we'll see the difference between a normal array and a NumPy array. In NumPy, we can create an array using the array function, and we have to pass the elements like this. And if you pass the elements like this, it will give you an array as 10, 20. If you want to pass a character or string with it, it is possible in NumPy array, while in normal array, it is not possible. It gives you an error. This is the major difference between a NumPy array and a normal array. Now, I will show you another example to understand a new NumPy function, shape. What is this shape does is that I'm going to create an array with multiple zeros in it or multiple values in it, and if you want to find the length of this array or the shape of that array, you can simply use z.shape. See, the arrays, this set array has 30 elements in it and it shows 30. And what if I want to alter the shape of this array? I'll show you with an example. See, what I'm doing is that with this 30 elements, I'm going to create 10 subarrays with 3 elements each. See, I'm creating 10 subarrays with each is having 3 elements in it. What about if 40? 40 means I can create 10 subarrays with 4 elements in each. Like this, you can also alter the shape of an array using shape function in NumPy Python. Now let's see another interesting function, line space. Line space is similar to plotting points in a graph. If you are going to plot a point between 2 and 10, that is, you are going to plot points between 2 and 10, 5 points between 2 and 10, what you will do? You will equally divide it as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then you will point. This is how line space works. I'll show you with an example. In case of line space 0, 10, 5, it works as 0 0.2.5, 5.7 and 10.5. This is how it works. In case if I want to plot 5 points between 2 and 10, what happens is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is how line spaces work. I will show how line space can be used in plotting graphs in Python. For plotting graph, you should use important library called matplotlib, which allows you to use graphical visualization. That is, matplotlib is nothing but it is a comprehensive library for creating static, animated and interactive visualization in Python. It is also a plotting library for Python programming language, and its numerical mathematics extension from NumPy. So this matplotlib can be used to plot graphs in Python. I'm not going in detail to matplotlib. I'll just show how line space can be used to plot points in Python matplotlib. See, points can be plotted like this. I'm using np.linespace 0 to 10, np.linespace 0 to 10, and 5 points are created. 0 to 10 is the endpoint, true means 0 and it ends with 10, but here for 0 to 10 the endpoint is false, means the endpoint is not 10, it may go, so that's why the blue is exceeding the 10. This is how line space can be used in matplotlib.